So I finished the 1842 Springfield, the Traditions kit. That's actually an Army sport. Here it is. I did it in a pretty dark stock. It has all bright metal finish furniture, including the barrel. Stock didn't turn out too bad. I spent a lot of time with it. I love the dark color of it, and it's a 69 caliber smoothbore. However, as I'd said in a previous video, absolutely nothing fit. I had to fit by hand almost every piece. What I did was, see the barrel bands, see how bright and shiny they are? I bought new ones. The ones in the kit didn't fit, so I went ahead and bought new ones, and they fit a little bit better, but they still had quite a bit of work to do to get them to fit correctly, including the nose cap here. So anyway, turned out okay. I'm gonna go shoot it this weekend for the first time. I've been kind of busy. I lost my job in July due to COVID-19, and I've been trying to find a job since then, and started working this past Monday, the 1st of September. So I was able to kind of focus in on putting this back together after a couple of months of worrying about getting a job. So I'm really looking forward to shooting it and seeing what kind of accuracy I can get out of it at 25, 50, and 100 yards. It seems everything works. Everything works fine. The lock's huge. I love the lock. Got a little bit of play in the trigger, but that's okay. And the stock turned out beautiful. If you have any questions, let me know. This is the third kit that I've built. The first two were Pedersolis, and those were incredibly simple to build. Everything went together, everything was fitted, everything went together very easily, everything fit. I had somebody tell me, though, that on a previous video that they think Traditions throws together all the spare parts into a kit that were rejects that didn't fit on the assembly line. But I don't know if that's true or not. That's a rumor. But it did take a lot of work to put this thing together. So anyway, I'll post up a shooting video a little bit later, and then hopefully do another kit this winter, I hope. These black powder muzzle loading guns are kind of a passion of mine. I love them. I love shooting them. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.